Calcium oxide is an alkaline oxide and is sensitive to humidity, easy to absorb carbon dioxide and water from the air, reacts with water to form calcium hydroxide, and produces a lot of heat, corrosive. And the material processing equipment calcium oxide ball press is very popular. That for the ball press into the size of the ball. This can be controlled, not fixed. Pressure ball size is generally in the diameter of 8 centimeters. Flat spherical ball for the ball press. 2 break roll molding. So the size of the ball press is mainly determined by the roll. The size of the roll model determines the size of the ball after pressing. We all know the importance of roll. Roll is the key part of calcium oxide ball press. Ball press roller is the heart of the equipment. Equipment in the roller problems directly affect the quality of the product. The shape of the product molding depends on the mold of the roller, on the ball press roller. Generally, there are a variety of shapes, such as polygonal body, goose egg type, and spherical.